The Samsung Galaxy A12 is the latest budget offering from the brand, with some significant improvements that I like and some downsides. What's up guys, it's Michael, and the Samsung Galaxy A12 comes in this white box that houses the device itself, paperwork, 15-watt power brick, Type-C cable and earphones, all for 67,000 naira or $125 for the base model. And as usual, there is no TPU case included in the box because it is meant for their mid-range devices. Taking up the wrap of this device, I can feel the improvement in the build quality of this device, and this time it has a two-tone finish at the rear rather than it being glossy like its predecessor, though the build quality material is plastic. And thank God the headphone jack is at the bottom alongside with the mic, USB-C port and a mono speaker rather than a last-minute decision to put it at the top. And talking about the top, there's another mic. I love why the fingerprint sensor is flushed to the right hand side of the device together with the power button. The placement is perfect, which is also easy to reach, and above it is the volume rockers. On the left hand side, we have the card tray that has a dual 4G nano SIM with an SD card slot which is expandable up to 512 GB. People say the best camera you have is in your pocket. Meanwhile, that is true, but not in this case. But it is better than what I expected. And the video you're currently seeing on your screen right now is shot with the quad camera setup at the rear outdoors, which consists of a 48 megapixel wide camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth, with an 8 megapixel selfie camera. Also, here are some photos and videos taken on this device. What's up guys, so this is a front-facing camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A12. Let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. As a YouTuber, after some takes while recording this video, the battery didn't die on me, cause this year Samsung added 1000 mAh battery extra to the 4000 mAh battery that was on the Galaxy A11 of last year, which lasts for longer hours depending on your usage. And if it eventually gets low, it takes right around 2 hours to fully charge this device from 0 to 100% using the 15-watt power brick and the USB-C cable included in the box. The battery on here takes me through a whole day, leaving me right around the 20% mark at the end of the day. Looking at photos and videos taken on this device, they don't look great on the TFT display, but it does the job on a basic level. The quality of the display wasn't compromised. It is still capped at 720p when watching videos on YouTube, with the chin and bezels that has been reduced a little bit, but the design of the display was compromised, which makes me question if we are still in 2019, because the Infinity V display on here looks dated, which makes it seem like the predecessor, which is the Samsung Galaxy A11 that had an Infinity-O display, was ahead of its time. Who knows? Having an ad-free budget device with Samsung Bluetooth, which runs on Android 10 paired alongside with the custom skin One UI 2.5, which is my most preferred skin on Android, is very usable during my usage with no stutters. When capturing those special moments, you won't be worried where to store them, as this device comes with a 64GB of base storage paired with 4GB of RAM, or if you want more storage, you can get the 128GB variant, so you won't be worried to delete those special moments. I know you'll be tempted to install a number of games because of the large storage on here. You should not do that, because this device isn't a gaming-centric device which runs on a MediaTek Helio P35 with some additional support from the PowerVR GE8320. You can train some Call of Duty Mobile to play free for all for like 10 minutes without having any eating issues, but after that period, the device goes south. Just don't do it, you'll get killed like a chicken for Christmas. When gaming, you can easily block the down-firing mono speaker setup, which is also good for your bathroom sessions. I would say that Samsung did make some improvement on the Galaxy A12 with its bigger battery that lasts for longer hours, improved base storage option, at least here in Nigeria, a more enhanced camera for better quality photos on a budget, NFC to make those faster payments depending on your region, and those are the things you should consider when getting this device. These are still my first impressions though. If you want the full review, kindly hit on the subscribe button below. If you found this video helpful, share, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the videos showing on your screen right now. It has started.